Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. Are you struggling with choppy markets and false signals? Imagine having an indicator that adapts to price action and gives you clear and effective buy and sell signals. Now, in this particular video, we are just going to be diving into the Adaptive Kalman Trend Filter indicator. All right. We're going to be talking about the Adaptive Kalman Trend Filter indicator. Okay. Now, if you're serious about improving your trading accuracy, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on high level strategies. Okay, let's just jump straight into it. What is the Adaptive Kalman Trend Filter indicator? This indicator is quite, a powerful tool that smooths price action while dynamically adapting to market conditions. It is designed to filter out unnecessary noise, making it easier to spot real trends without being misled by short-term fluctuations. Okay, now unlike standard moving averages, which apply the same smoothing to all market conditions, this filter adjusts in real time, responding faster when price trends strongly and slowing down when conditions are uncertain. Okay? So, how do we use this tool to generate good buy and sell signals? One of the main factors to look out for is when the indicator line turns green. You can see that this indicator line changes from green to red and back to green and back to red and all of that, right? So a buy signal is when the indicator line turns green and price is above the trend line. Okay? Then a sell signal is when the indicator line turns red and price is below the trend line. Okay? Then with respect to trend confirmation, if the indicator stays in one direction, for an extended period, it confirms a strong trend. For example, we have a scenario whereby the indicator was mostly trending downwards and mostly red. It shows that the trend was strong. There are just a few green. So the trend was actually strong. This particular sell trend was a strong one, right? It was a strong sell trend. That's the reason why the indicator was mostly trending downwards and mostly green. Okay? So by waiting for confirmed signals instead of reacting to every small move, we increase accuracy and avoid unnecessary trades. To maximize the effectiveness of this indicator, here's how we can integrate this indicator into a high probability strategy. One, you should combine the indicator with other indicators such as the RSI or the MACD in order to confirm momentum before entering a trade. For example, you have the indicator giving you a sell signal. It's turned from green to red, and then you notice market structure. Please always pay attention to market structure, okay? Notice market structure, you know that a bullish trend line has been broken, and now price is moving downwards. So as a result of that, you should be looking for sell opportunities. And the line turned red. So that is the confirmation to enter a sell. So you watch out for your RSI. If the RSI is coming down, especially if it's leaving the overbought territory, perhaps it's trending downwards after getting close to the overbought territory, that's an additional confirmation to enter a sell. Okay, so for example, if we had entered a sell around here, perhaps we can consider setting our stop loss above the previous swing high, and our take profit can be at the trend line support. All right. Make sure that you also use higher time frames. You can use maybe 1 hour or 4 hours or even the daily to start your analysis. Okay. And, these higher time frames can actually help you to reduce whipsaws. Okay. They can help with reducing whipsaws. avoid trading against the overall market direction as well. Always check a higher time frame to confirm the prevailing trend. If the prevailing trend is bearish, if you want, you can go to the lower time frames to execute your trade. You want perfect entries. You can go to your smaller time frames to do that, but just ensure that you're trading in the direction of the overall trend, in the direction of the trend on the higher time frame. Okay, to increase your chances of success, it is better to trade in the direction of the overall market trend, the higher time frames trend. Now, one of the biggest advantages of this indicator is its ability to remove market noise. Instead of reacting to every small price move, the indicator focuses on the main market trend. Okay, so with this indicator, you should be avoiding choppy conditions. All right, you avoid choppy conditions by only trading when the indicator shows a strong, smooth trend. All right, and then you use key support and resistance levels for better entry points. For example, you have a buy signal around here, and then you notice that this point is actually an important point. This is a resistance zone that turned into a support after it was broken. So because of that, it adds to the validity of that buy, because as a breakout happened and the bullish momentum was strong, so price kept going up. So when you use support and resistance zones, it even adds to the validity of your signals. It helps confirm the signals, right? It helps confirm the signals given to you by the Adaptive Kalman Trend Filter indicator. Okay, so it's always important to get your confirmations right. And then the indicator adjusts dynamically. It adjusts dynamically. Okay, help you monitor volatility. So if it is flattening out, the market might be ranging, right? When the indicator is flattening out, it shows that the market might actually be ranging. Okay, so even with a powerful tool like this, risk management is key. And here's how to stay safe, right? Always set your stop loss below support for a buy trade. If you're entering a buy trade, set your stop loss below support and then set your stop loss above resistance for a sell trade. All right, it's very, very important. Below support for a buy trade, above resistance for a sell trade. Now, never rely on one indicator alone. Confirm your trades with other confluences. It's very, very important. Okay, it's very, very important. If the indicator is flipping frequently, stay out of the market. This signals uncertainty. Okay, the Adaptive Kalman Trend Filter is an incredibly accurate tool for generating buy and sell signals while filtering out noise. However, the accuracy is limited, okay, because there is no indicator out there that's 100% accurate. So it's important to take note of that. The indicator is not foolproof, all right? Meanwhile, when used correctly, it provides a clear advantage in trend trading. So if you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button and comment below if you want more videos on advanced indicators. Don't forget to subscribe for more trading strategies. Cheers and happy trading.